Today I will teach you how to change homepage in Firefox browser. First, open your Firefox browser. Click the menu button, it's in the upper right corner of the Firefox window. Then select Setting. This button is in the bottom of the drop-down menu. Click the Home tab, it's in the upper left side of the option page. Click the Home page and New Window drop-down box. Click Custom URL, it's in the drop-down menu. Click the Paste a URL text box. Enter a website address. Type in the whatever website you want to use for your Firefox homepage. Then press Enter. This will save your setting. Please like this video, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.